Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at artificial intelligence. How can it help your startup in real terms? So we keep on hearing the buzzwords artificial intelligence and AI. Is this just sci-fi dreaming, or can artificial intelligence be used by normal businesses to boost productivity and sales? In this video, we look at real-world uses for artificial intelligence that you can use today. First, before we take a look at some of its real-world uses, we need to understand what artificial intelligence, or AI, actually is. Artificial intelligence is a computer algorithm that aims to simulate how the human brain works by utilizing artificial neurons that can be trained to approximate the way humans solve problems. It's important to understand that AI algorithms do not need a programmer as such. A programmer would traditionally write lines of code for every conceivable solution, but instead the algorithm is trained with a series of examples, and much like a human, it will learn from those examples and output an answer based on what it has learned. What this means in real terms is that the bigger the data set the AI algorithm is trained on, the more useful the applications and answers it will deliver. The downside is that many AI algorithms are a black box that can at times give unexpected results. OpenAI. OpenAI is a not-for-profit research lab that specializes in the field of artificial intelligence. Founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Ilya Sutskever, Greg Brockman, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman, the lab has a for-profit arm that releases access to its algorithm for a fee to the public. In June 2020, OpenAI launched GPT-3. GPT-3 is a neural network trained on internet data that can generate any type of text. The algorithm was trained on millions of phrases from the internet. So what can GPT-3 be used for? Viable. What if you have loads of customer feedback and you need a way to extract the sentiment of the feedback from the text? GPT-3 can do that. Viable is an app based on GPT-3 that can analyze customer feedback and give insights into reams of feedback data. Pop-Up World's AI creator. Got a startup idea but can't think of a catchy name? GPT-3 can do that. Pop-Up World's AI creator is based on the GPT-3 algorithm. It just needs a description of your startup idea and it will generate a snappy name, strapline, and description and logo suggestions. Jasper. Need to write marketing copy? GPT-3 can do that. Jasper will take a brief description of your product and create marketing copy based on that information. Jasper can help with writing blog posts, articles, and even books. Copilot. Need to write code? Write the code in English and GPT-3 will translate into executable code. These are just a few examples, but apparently there are over 300 apps utilizing GPT-3 and you can easily build your own with minimal programming skills. If you need to process and evaluate text in any way, GPT-3 can more than likely help. Free access is available at the following link. DALL 2. So GPT-3 has it covered for text, but what about images? Is there any way an algorithm can create pictures from a simple text description? The answer is a resounding yes. Launched in January 2021, OpenAI's DALL allows users to do just that. The recent update, DALL 2, is truly incredible. Just enter brief text of your required image and DALL will create a photograph, a line drawing, or even a painting of your requested text. The uses are far-reaching. Book illustrations, blogs, tweets, Instagram posts, all can be generated automatically with no need for artistic talent and minimal creativity. The obvious question is, what does this mean for visual artists and photographers? The general answer is increased competition. Although simple images are straightforward to create using DALL-E 2, more complex compositions can be difficult to pin down. Image libraries could be seriously disrupted in future though. Here are two quick examples of what DALL-E 2 can do. The prompt, painting of an entrepreneur talking to a huge robot. The prompt, photo of an entrepreneur talking to a huge robot. Synthesia.io. Apps like Synthesia can help content creators convert text into video. Videos include the creation of digital actors or avatars that can perform the content for you. Videos are known to create much more engagement, so this type of content creation is not only a huge time saver for startups, but could potentially increase inquiries and sales. Here is an example.
So we keep on hearing the buzzwords artificial intelligence and AI. Is this just sci-fi dreaming, or can artificial intelligence be used by normal business?
Final thoughts. The progress of artificial intelligence marches on at an ever-increasing pace. Entrepreneurs will need to keep abreast of developments in order to avoid entering markets that are to be heavily disrupted by the new technology. Startups should aim to incorporate the technology to allow for new and more efficient services for their users. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links below for more info on Pop-Up World, the Pop-Up World token, and Pop-Up World staking. See you later.